it's a skinwalker! Calm down, it's just Sniffles. Whoa, this is awesome! Oh, right, it's not a skinwalker. That's not a skinwalker, that's my husband, Sniffles. Hey, babe. Hi, babe. Aww, you must have been hungry, weren't you? Yep, I sure was, honey. I love you, Sniffles. I love you too, Natalie. Mama! Dada! Baba, Dada! Oh my god, they said their first word! Oh my gosh, they did say their first word. And my little baby boy is coming. Well, sweetie, I can't wait to see our baby boy, born on September 1st. I know, honey. I'm so excited to see Sniffles Jr. when he's born. I know, Lunar, I know.